Hey there, great people. So, as promised, for all you subscribers, mostly in America, but anywhere else, thank you so much, as always, for watching. I'm doing a little fireworks display. It's going to be 12 fountains, 4 shot tubes, a barrage barrel towards the end, and some things that go bang in between, which I'm not going to say, but you will see for yourselves. We're going to start off with the first firework, which will be called Jewel, which hopefully you can see on that little fountain. We'll start small with these and work up. And this will be small probably. It's very small. Next one is called Radar. It's called Radar. Again, they're going to be very small, these to start with. Then we go on to another small fountain called Diamond. Looks like a flare. Then the next little fountain is called Rutile. And by the way, these fireworks are very standard fireworks, which the other name, standard fireworks, is actually Black Cat, which you guys in America will know all about. And remember, always keep a safe distance from fireworks and never go back to lit firework. That was short-lived. Next one is called Orbit Boom, as you can see. Now I'm going to do something completely different, if you can see it, which is a 0.1, I'll call it a cracker. That's pretty decent. Next is this fountain called Green Flare, even, if I can get my words out. Next up, I'm going to do a 0.3 firecracker, or cracker, should I call it? Yeah. Next one is a small fountain called Pioneer. They're quite loud, aren't they? This is Pioneer fountain. Now we'll do another one of these little 1/4 gram crackers. And then we're on to Scarlet Ray, another one by Standard Fireworks or Black Cat. That was poor. Next, this is by TNT Fireworks, which means the Night Theatre. I was going to leave these all to last, but I'm going to do one now. This is a loud and pretty shot tube, and it's very loud. It's going to be mega loud. Right, next is probably going to be a really quite noisy one, but decent, called Crackle Star. That's a good bit of fun. Next up is Will of the Wisp, another little fountain. Then I'm going to do a quick little .2 firecracker. And then on to the Venus fountain. Like that. Next up, I'm going to do one of shot tubes, and this is actually a 5-shot Roman candle shot tube, category F2, bystander fireworks called Thunderstorm. So we're going to have to dig this down into the ground at least a few inches and always point them in the safe direction. I thought it was supposed to be 5.
One was a bit of
Yeah. Right, we're going to do another one of shot tubes, different brand altogether, and this one's called Fire. And again, these are very, very loud. It's a single shot tube, shoots the ball in the air and gives off a nice bloom of colour. I guess it's going to be red colours. Shit. Oh fuck, I spilled my drink. Next up is going to be a little half-gram firecracker, which we're going to throw, have a bit of fun with. That was quieter than the other one. And then we'll do, this is going to be a silly one. This is going to be 1.5 gram firecracker. So let's see what this does. That's pretty good. Now for another one of these shot tubes, which is called Earth. So I'm guessing it's probably going to be a green bloom. Probably green and blue bloom, I think. Decent, that. Then lastly, we have got the 8-shot gunpowder barrel, or barrage barrel as you call it. That's again by TNT Fireworks and Night Theatre. Let's try this one. We're going to wedge this one between 2 pieces of wood to make sure it's safe and so it stays in position, because this is quite a powerful thing and very heavy. I've never done one of these before, so it's interesting. That was quite decent. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the little display there. It was a bit of fun, and I will always do this on the 5th of November, which is Bonfire Night / Guy Fawkes Night in Britain, or UK as we call it. Please remember to check out my other great content and playlists on this, Paul B. Huston85. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, especially subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all so much. Have a great rest of your day.